Pork Alfritada, Virgin Beach style, 150 pesos, is the title of our Virgin Beach Cebu vlog number 87. Hello everybody, I'm Ron Perry, and along with my wife Faye Perry are the owners of Virgin Beach Resort, Malbago, Daanbantayan, Cebu, Philippines. We have an a la carte menu in our restaurant, and the Pork Alfritada is listed there for 150 pesos. In this video, we'll show you how we make it. We're open for business, so we hope you'll come by. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.
Hello guys, today we're gonna cook pork apritada, and these are the ingredients: a slice of potatoes, carrots, red bell pepper, quarts of pork, onion, 2 cloves of garlic, seasoning, ketchup, tidbits, green peas, and a cooking oil. We have already a preheated pan. Add few some oil. Shall we start? A preheated pan, we can add the garlic. Let it golden brown and add the sliced onion. Add the meat. So as you see guys, the meat is changing its color. It's time to add water. Not as much, but I think it's almost a quart and a half. Okay guys, since the meat is already tender, we're gonna add the soy sauce. Then the potato, carrots, finally the red bell pepper. Now all the ingredients are already in the pan. Just mix it well. Simmer for a few minutes until it's totally cooked. Now guys, it is our finished product, pork apritada. Let's eat.